In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back to tap on this arrow at the top left one. To use Clipboard, you can copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. But to paste it later on, within an hour though, you can tap on Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, just hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up right next to it. To unpin it, do exactly the same. To get rid of any text from your clipboard, you can swipe it to the right or to the left, or hold it and use the delete button. Finally, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!